So hi everyone. So today we are going to create a simple game with just AI, Cloud AI. So we won't be doing any coding. So right now we're going to create a simple, let's say Flappy Bird game in React, TypeScript, and Byte. So it will generate the code for us, and all we need to do is just copy and paste, and let's just wait the AI to generate the code for us. So the code is done, and you can actually try it in the preview section here. You can see it's not working. So maybe you can just uh, like prompt it and say the pipe has no spaces. So it will just adjust the spacing between the pipes. So let's let the Cloud AI to fix it. All right, let's try the code. All right, so you can see the what we call the bird is falling too fast. So we might just say the bird is falling too fast. So it will adjust the gravity kind of things. So it will make it falling more slower, make the game easier. And we can try it again. But as you can see, it is still a bit hard. So let it make it slower. Okay, let's try. So you can see this more similar to the Flappy Bird game that we actually play, and it's only you can just put any image for the bird afterwards. So this is the simple version of the game. So how do we put it in our project? So we head back to the code, and let's create a project on the Visual Studio Code. Get a new terminal. So we will do cd desktop. So we will create our project in the desktop. Let's say I don't know what not I don't know what how to create a project. So we can just ask Connor, how do I create a project, React project? So we will just ask help you to create a project. So we can just get this copy and go. So automatically it will create a React project for us. So we just follow the instruction here, cd my React app, or let's just open the project on our desktop. So we created my React app. So select new terminal. So we're going to do npm install. And right now we're going to install the packages. So let's just copy it and paste it. Other one. And Redux. So everything we can just copy from the AI and then just paste it and just install the packages we need. And right now we're going to set copy the code inside our project. So how do I where should I paste my code? in my project. So you see, you just need to create a file called game.txx in the src folder. So we just create game.txx, and we can just paste the entire game code. So let's just copy it, paste, go, and right now, so save it. Right now, we're going to open src folder and open app.txx, and we need to modify it like this. Yeah, we just copy it and then just paste it in the app.txx. So right now, since the game was using the Tailwind CSS, so we need to install. So we have already installed previously. Yeah. So right now we need to configure our Tailwind config.js. So let's just copy Tailwind config.js. Where is it? Here, and then just paste it here, save it, and then we need to add Tailwind directives to our src folder and the index.css. So index.css, copy it and select all and paste it and save. So I think we are good to go. So right now we'll just head back to the terminal and type npm run dev. So click the link here. It will open the website, and let's try. Yeah, and the game is working. So you can see there's no pipes. I don't know why. So let's just head back to the AI and say there is no pipe appear. So let's just wait for the code. And right now we just copy the whole thing here. And we just copy and paste, save. Let's just have that and refresh our browser. Yeah. So right now there's the pipe. Alright. So it works very good and smooth. So you can just adjust. If you want to make it more difficult, you can just ask the Claude AI to, like, I want to make it hard or make it slower, or you want to add the bird image on the yellow circle here. So yeah, so basically it's all done. So this is how you create a simple Flappy Bird game with just AI without coding. So this is all for today's video. Yeah, so thanks.